Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video, guys. Listen loves, this protein treatment, this DIY protein treatment, trust me, you need to try it. After I used this protein treatment in my hair, guys, my hair felt so good. I could feel the difference, guys. Like, why am I paying money for treatment when I could do it myself and get this awesome result? So I decided that I'm gonna show you guys what I did, and I want you guys to try this and let me know if you felt a difference in your hair. So comment down below and let me know if you're going to try this treatment, or if you have already tried it before, let me know, okay? And also, guys, if you're not yet a part of the Miss Kimmy K family, don't hesitate. Why wait? Hit the subscribe button down below so you could join the family. It's nothing but love over here and good vibes. All right, good energy. All right, so subscribe to the channel, like the video if you're loving it, and also share the channel, share the video if for someone else, to help them along their hair journey, okay, their relaxed hair journey. This treatment is also good for natural hair as well, okay? So stick around, guys, and I'll see you guys in the end, okay? Okay, guys, so I put the mixture that I made in, oh, my flashing it. So I put the mixture that I made, the protein mixture, bless you baby, in the fridge so it's nice and cool. All right, so I'm just gonna remove this spatula, and I'm just gonna see this. No. So this is good. So this is the first time I'm actually making protein treatment, like instead of purchasing it. This is the first time I'm doing it like this, but let's get this done. So this shit is cold. So I'm just gonna apply it like this in my hair. Oh no! So I'm just gonna make sure that this whole thing is saturated. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Ooh, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. This is a messy protein treatment DIY. Okay, but I'll let you know if it works. Okay guys, so my son, he decided that he want to join the fun. He want to join the deep conditioning treatment party. Okay, so I did give him a deep condition treatment for his hair. So I'll show you guys what that looks like when I'm done, okay? like butter. Guys, please give this protein treatment a try, okay? Your hair will thank you for it, okay? So we're coming down to the end of the video, guys. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also drop a comment if you have any questions or concerns. I will be roller setting my hair afterwards, so please stay tuned for that video. Please turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my weekly videos, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.